Are you tired of using clunky and unreliable coffee grinders that can't even get a decent cup of coffee? But here's what surprised me. I recently discovered the Timemore Chestnut C3, a game-changing coffee grinder that promises to deliver the perfect cup every time. For the best price, click the link in the description. As someone who values quality and precision, I was skeptical at first, but after using the Timemore Chestnut C3 for a while now, I'm excited to share my honest review with you. But before we dive into the details, let's set the stage. What's wrong with traditional coffee grinders? They're often bulky, loud, and produce inconsistent results. Therefore, it's not uncommon to end up with a subpar cup of coffee that fails to meet your expectations. However, I'm about to reveal an unexpected angle. The Timemore Chestnut C3 is not just any ordinary coffee grinder. It's a precision-engineered masterpiece that's designed to deliver exceptional results. But why should you care? Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a casual brewer, we all deserve a great cup of coffee every time. Therefore, let's take a closer look at what makes the Timemore Chestnut C3 so special. Deep dive word count 400 to 500 asterisk. The Timemore Chestnut C3 is a 30-tune burr grinder that features a sleek and compact design, perfect for any coffee lover. But what really sets it apart is its precision engineering. With 48 grind settings and an advanced grinding system, you can customize your grind to perfection every time. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the key features that make this grinder stand out. High-quality stainless steel burrs for consistent results. Advanced grinding system for precise control over grind size. 48 adjustable grind settings for customized brewing. Compact design with a sleek and modern aesthetic. Therefore, if you're tired of dealing with clunky and unreliable coffee grinders, the Timemore Chestnut C3 is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, let's re-examine some of the key benefits. Consistent results every time. Easy to clean and maintain. Compact design perfect for small spaces. Resolution word count 400 to 500 asterisk. After using the Timemore Chestnut C3 for a while now, I'm excited to share my final thoughts with you. But before we conclude, let's summarize some of the key points. Precision engineered for exceptional results. High-quality stainless steel burrs. Advanced grinding system for customized brewing. Compact design perfect for small spaces. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and consistent coffee grinder that can deliver exceptional results every time, look no further than the Timemore Chestnut C3. But don't just take my word for it, check out some of the reviews from other satisfied customers who have experienced the same level of quality and precision. And as always, I want to emphasize that the best price is available on Amazon. Click the link in the description below to get yours today. In conclusion, the Timemore Chestnut C3 has exceeded my expectations in every way. Its precision engineering, high-quality materials, and compact design make it an ideal choice for any coffee lover. Therefore, if you're ready to take your coffee game to the next level, don't wait any longer. Get your Timemore Chestnut C3 today.